Peace, family. This is the Bifilar base kit that comes with 3 gold-plated scalar plates, a tesseract 18 point, 12 point, and a flower of life. Flower of life is how matter manifests. Tesseract is how light manifests. When you work with them together, the matter is manifesting from the light from source and not your light body. This is the frequency generator, power button to turn on and off. This will run stop. It's running if it's solid. If the cursor's flashing, it means it's stopped. So move it up and down. So move it along. Boom. You can change different modes of different waves. I like square, but it has to be stopped to change it. Square is the one that oscillates a specific way from what I've learned. And this allows you to turn it up or down, the output. You can plug it in right there. Then this is the power cord. This will plug in if you want to play another frequency from an amp, another amp, or from your phone or tablet. And that's the power cord.